Today we'll be learning how to play the piano accompaniment of Stand By Me by Ben E. King in the original key of A major, which has F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Here's middle C for a reference. Left hand notes are shown in blue, while right hand notes are displayed in red. We'll start with our left hand. First, place your thumb on the A below middle C. Your pinky should rest comfortably on D, allowing you to access all the other notes in between. We'll play our melodic bass line with A twice, followed by E, G sharp, and A twice again. Then we have A, G sharp, F sharp twice, E, and F sharp twice again. Repeating that again, we have this. Next, we have F sharp, E, D twice, D again, F sharp, and E twice. Then we have E, G sharp, and A twice. And we repeat this again. Let's repeat the second half again. So the entire bass line is this. Take note of the underlined repeated notes. This will be important later when we play the right hand chords. On the right hand, we'll be playing the chords. Our first chord is A major with C sharp, E, and A played together on the right, which is our first inversion. From this chord, we'll remove the middle note E and replace it with F sharp, which gives us C sharp, F sharp, and A played together, F sharp minor chord. This is our second inversion. From here, we'll remove our lowest note, C sharp, and replace it with D, which gives us D, F sharp, and A played together. D major chord, root position. Keeping this same finger shape, we'll move our hand up and play E, G sharp, and B to give us our E major chord in root position. Then we return back to A major chord. So the chords are A major, F sharp minor, D major, E major, and A major. Now that we know the chords, we'll play the chords with proper rhythm. For A major, we'll play the chord twice like so. And we'll do this 2 times. Same for F sharp minor. For D major, we'll play the chords twice once. And for E major, we'll play the chords twice as well. And then we return to A major. Remember the underlined repeated notes played on the left hand? Whenever we play these notes, we'll play our chords on the right hand. So we have A major, F sharp minor, D major, E major, and back to A major. And playing that in normal speed, we have this. My piano tutorial for Easy by the Commodores has been a favorite among viewers. If you enjoyed this lesson, you'll love learning Easy next. Click here to watch more.